Ready to spice up your pasta game? Filipino spaghetti is the answer. Let's dive into making Filipino spaghetti. Start by cooking your pasta until it's al dente. Now, for the magic sauce. Sauté garlic and onions in a pan, then add ground beef. Once the beef is browned, mix in banana ketchup, tomato sauce, and a touch of sugar for that unique sweet flavor. Don't forget a dash of salt and pepper. Simmer for a few minutes, then add sliced hot dogs. Yes, hot dogs. Cook until everything's well blended and piping hot. Pour your delicious sauce over the pasta, mix it up, and top with grated cheese. There you have it. Sweet, savory, and oh so yummy Filipino spaghetti. Perfect for family dinners or any celebration. Give it a try and let us know how you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes.